Best airflow mesh PC cases improve cooling, reduce temperatures, enhance performance, lower fan noise, and extend component lifespan. My today's video is about top 5 best airflow mesh PC cases that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at TRYX Flova Black Mid-Tower ATX PC Case. The TRYX PC case stands out by combining premium aesthetics with serious thermal engineering. Its innovative cross-flow cooling system draws fresh air from the side and targets hot components directly, helping maintain lower temperatures while keeping noise levels impressively controlled. This makes it an excellent choice for gamers, creators, and performance enthusiasts who want efficient cooling without excessive fan noise. A major advantage is the adjustable airflow guide, which adds real flexibility. Leave it installed to improve airflow balance with AIO liquid cooling setups, or remove it for stronger direct airflow when using tower-style CPU air coolers. This level of customization is uncommon and genuinely useful. The fabric-crafted front panel gives the case a refined furniture-inspired appearance that feels more premium than typical mesh or plastic designs. It also remains practical with easy removal for cleaning and resistance to humidity or shrinking over time. Compatibility is another strong point, supporting multiple motherboard sizes, back connector layouts, large GPUs up to 420mm, and 360mm radiators. Add generous cable management space plus fast USB-C 20 gigabits per second front I/O, and this case delivers style, performance, and convenience. Now our second product is Ansate PC Case. The Product C9 PC case delivers an impressive balance of airflow performance, modern aesthetics, and builder-friendly design. Its dual-channel cooling layout separates airflow paths for CPU and GPU, helping each component receive targeted cooling rather than competing for the same air supply. With top exhaust ventilation and magnetic dust filters on both top and bottom, it maintains strong thermal efficiency while reducing dust buildup over time. One of its biggest highlights is the 7 pre-installed ARGB fans. The combination of reverse intake fans, top exhaust fans, and rear exhaust creates excellent circulation right out of the box, saving extra upgrade costs. The prismatic rainbow lighting adds vibrant visual appeal, especially through the 270 degrees panoramic tempered glass panel that beautifully showcases internal hardware. The spacious interior supports large GPUs up to 440mm, tall CPU coolers, 360mm radiators, and extensive fan expansion, making it suitable for gaming or high-performance workstations. Back connect compatibility and generous cable management space help keep the build clean and organized. With fast USB-C connectivity, premium presentation, and strong stock cooling, the C9 offers exceptional value for users wanting style and performance together. Our third product is Corsair 4000D RSA RGB ATX PC Case. The Corsair frame case is built for users who value long-term flexibility as much as performance. Its standout feature is the modular frame case system, allowing upgrades and replacements like alternate motherboard trays or expanded front I/O panels. Instead of replacing the whole chassis later, users can adapt the case as their hardware needs evolve. Cooling performance is equally impressive. 3 pre-installed Corsair RSA RGB PWM fans provide strong airflow straight from the box while supporting daisy-chain connections for cleaner wiring. 0 RPM mode keeps noise levels extremely low during light workloads, making the system quiet when full cooling power is unnecessary. The InfiniRail fan mounting system adds another level of customization. It allows precise placement of large fans in the front or roof, helping users create targeted airflow zones for GPUs, radiators, or CPU coolers. Combined with the 3D Y-pattern airflow front panel, intake airflow remains efficient and unrestricted. Cable management is also thoughtfully designed. The internal side panel can hide cables for a cleaner look or be removed to install extra side-mounted fans. Overall, the frame is an advanced, future-ready case with premium cooling versatility. Now number 4, Moraval PC Case Pre-install 4 RGB fans. The Moraval 621N4 is a budget-friendly gaming PC case that focuses on airflow, visual appeal, and practical compatibility. For users wanting an affordable chassis with included cooling, it offers strong value thanks to 4 pre-installed 120mm RGB fans. While the lighting is fixed rather than addressable, the fans still create an attractive gaming look while improving airflow immediately without extra expense. Its tempered glass side panel adds a premium touch rarely expected in this price range. The clear panel highlights internal components nicely and removes easily for upgrades or maintenance. Combined with the diamond mesh front panel, the case balances aesthetics with functional ventilation. Cooling is one of its stronger points. The mesh front intake design allows unrestricted airflow, helping maintain lower temperatures during gaming or daily workloads. This is especially useful for mid-range systems that need efficient heat management. Compatibility is solid for mainstream builds, supporting ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX motherboards, GPUs up to 300mm, and multiple SSD/HDD drives. The front I/O panel includes USB 3.0, dual USB 2.0, and audio ports for convenience. Overall, it's an excellent entry-level case with dependable features. And our last choice is Antec C6 Curve Air Mid-Tower Case. This PC case delivers a premium showcase design combined with strong thermal performance, making it an excellent choice for modern gaming builds. Its three-sided panoramic curved glass layout creates a sleek, high-end appearance while offering wide visibility of internal components. For users investing in RGB hardware or custom cooling, the case provides an ideal display platform. Cooling is thoughtfully handled with 3 pre-installed PWM fans. 2 reverse bottom intake fans pull fresh air directly upward toward the GPU, while the 140mm rear exhaust fan helps remove warm air efficiently. This vertical airflow strategy is especially beneficial for powerful graphics cards that generate significant heat during gaming sessions. Hardware support is another major advantage. With room for 360mm radiators and GPUs up to 450mm, the case can comfortably house flagship-level components and advanced liquid cooling setups. This gives builders flexibility for both current systems and future upgrades. Back connect motherboard support and flexible PSU placement help simplify cable management, resulting in a cleaner interior and better airflow. The inclusion of USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 also adds fast modern connectivity for external storage and accessories. Overall, it blends style, performance, and practicality exceptionally well. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.